Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. As I continue to work through the ABRSM Grade 6 Music Theory Workbook, my lessons now move on to question 1b, exercise 6. In this question, we are required to compose a bass line to a given melody, and also we need to add a figured bass to show our chord choices along with this bass line. In this particular exercise, we are given the outline from a melody of an Old English air in the key of F major. In addition to observing all of the rules of 4-part harmony, I also point out how we need to observe our cadence points, and we also get the opportunity to write out a cadential 6/4. The full lesson can be found on my Patreon channel. If you visit patreon.com/Sharon Bill, you can find the full lesson there, and you can find links to this lesson in the cards and in the description box below. After this short little video, you can see sample examples taken from the full Patreon lesson, showing you how I work through everything you need to fully understand how to fully answer this question, step by step, note by note, just as if I were sitting right next to you. Everything you need to understand this advanced level music theory can be found in my Harmony and Composition textbook. This book is available from Amazon, and again you can find links to this in the cards and in the description box below. Enjoy your studies! We're in a major key, aren't we? We're in F major. Got a nice note F to confirm that, and there are no accidentals giving us any inclination towards a minor key. And again, if your chords feel like they're not fitting, it's because you're in the wrong key. So our chord choices are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll tend to stick to the primary triads chords 1, 4 and 5. So F, G, A, B, C, D, E. Just quickly sketching out your chord choices because I find it easier thinking in Roman numeral chords, and then I'll add the figures later when I'm sure of what I'm doing. C, E, A, C, E. We've got chord 3B, which is an unusual chord, what we perhaps wouldn't expect, but that's what we've got. That's what the original has. There's a chord 1 in root position. So it's up to us now what we do. So here we've got a C, so it could be a chord 1 or it could be a chord 5. What have we got here? This one chord lasts this whole bar. It's got to encompass notes B flat, D and F. Of course, here that is B flat, but your key signature will deal with that. So B flat, D, F is chord 4, isn't it? But if I go for a 1B, now you have to be careful going from 2B to 1B because that could imply lots of consecutives. But here we got B flat to D, B flat to E, which is a 4th, and then that will take us to a 6th. So we're okay. Just depends how the voice parts work out with your melody line. Now we know that if there's 3, 2, 1 in the melody line, that would give us a 1C, 5, 1, wouldn't it? In actual fact, we've got a 3 here, we've got a 2 here, and we've got a 1 here. 3, 2, 1. And even if that weren't there, it may well be that that 3, 2, 1 or the 8, 7, 8 can also indicate that could be in one of these inside parts that we aren't seeing that the figured bass would fulfill. So we are entirely within our rights putting a 1C5-1 there. So let's do that. I think it's a good opportunity to flex our figured bass muscles and do such a thing. So now we know where we're going, we can decide what we're going to do here, can't we?